Welcome to another crochet tutorial with Cozy Rosie UK. I'm just doing the last round of my running rings around Granny coaster, and when it gets to the end, rather than doing the traditional slip stitch and chain one to finish, which leaves us with this unsightly knot we need to weave in, what we're going to do instead is the invisible join. So the invisible join is slightly different. What we do is when we reach our final stitch, we cut the yarn and pull it all the way through that final stitch. Oh, I've got a knot in my yarn, that's never a good thing. There we go. So literally you've just pulled it through that final stitch, and we're going to thread this onto our darning needle. We're going to take our darning needle and insert it underneath both the loops of that first stitch from the round, and just pull that through. As you pull it tightly, it draws those edges together. We're then going to insert the needle under the back loop of that last stitch. Again, just pulling that thread through, and straight away you can't see where you finished your project. You can tighten that up so it matches all the same as your other stitch sizes, and then you would simply just weave it in as normal, and no one will be able to see where you started or finished that round.